Walong ilsis la ko kami rogo ya ko mandam sal letun in at TMC yang akang klera wilong ngirong koy ya obangga kadel al sils a special guest and Miss Kasoya Echi ngal Kasoya mga school University of Guam al major of philosophy so ya kamandam sulang ang hok lecture ya kamar adra TMC al sils ako tan mamayang al aistra gid al sils sa mayang al aistra Ministry of Health and Human Services. A Ministry of Health and Human Services sa October sel COVID situation report ang anyab SL7 na new cases 18 na total cases elan ya rest are adam la recover elal ko ramla wind down na COVID eng ya ko mla umuul sel flu outbreak ma Ministry of Health and Human Services sa disori lo Israel adlo sang anya flu outbreak or said influenza A dire ko sorry lo sang malimis sel mga talay na emergency room rakol hospital Tial flu ako tabuko yuyule man makniten morar mega kadel ngal mar mawodol mal uber adar nganya ti tiang asel amuwe ka moklok le mo osngos mo mling la badinge mo mling la talum batam malon ngiten base mo taka nga miso imo miwe mo mask sel amara boy malaka dido kayuyule tagi del influenza a matara meang al ay sa former President Tamir Mangasao Jr. Arsera July 18, 2022, ang ila sa submarine emnedi sendel 26,377 feet down ra Palau Trench. Tial trip niya amle 8 hours. Ang kalpel former President Tamir Mangasao Jr. atar trigal lagot el makasayel adra balur belaw na mortal bottom ra Palau Trench. Atar amyang al ay sa President Surang al Whips Jr. Lesan na RPPL 11-23 ma RPPL 11-22. Tial RPPL 11-23 asel 2.6 million supplemental budget tiang budget ngilun meskit trigale do mo dong artil wase the conservation partners sagit. Tiang malmol 3 years melalir got ang first year ang ani ongerung ra 2023 ongedera 2024. Malway say bingel tial 2.6 million 1.6 million niya more executive 100,000 niya more judiciary 100,000 niya more House of Delegates 100,000 niya more senators 800,000 niya obi regel 16 governments state governments sel RPPL 11-22 amo adjust the salaries ma qualification or trigger judges and more common plea more land court ya 90,000 na more sa 3 outlying states and yang ayangan balilyaw mga yaw for their transportation need especially mo oral alu atara mayang alay sa sel United States Naval Ship wala mo kadongan yulwaseng Mercy ang arabulur belaw et yang amnel partner said Pacific Partnership wala mo nga sir agro hospital et yang hospital ship already hospital et yang anya 1,000 beds nga alsel Atara mayang alay sa government trabulurangar along. A government trabulurangar along ang anisel lutab di legislation el NSPL 21-96 create a planning commission to plan and develop agad zoning ra abulurangar along. Tiang alblel introduce niya legislator Sambal sa April 2021 ya governor niya Richard Nginatra amle approve niya sa Osisinmand. El alira April 2022 etiram ne haringel first state planning officer niya Mr. Minor West. Ang taramyang al sa balura angiwal. May kagid ako kuloan official result tersigidel secure balura angiwal. Ma total registered voters balura angiwal 752. Ya total vote cast amle 335. Mle 107 na central, 197 na proper. Emlang niya 41 na absentee. Ma ako nila tungkol vote sa Bolton tungkol niya nila 73 na central, 143 na proper, ma 27 na absentee, mong total vote sa 243. Russell Masayo sa Mloongerung, niya nila 68 na central, 150 na proper, and 19 na absentee, total vote sa 237. Hidayit Takataro ang ilaya 67 na central, 131 na proper, 18 absentee, total votes niya 216. Ang number 4 ay lapsis ngira kasaw, niya nila 58 na central, 133 na proper, 22 na absentee, at 213 natural votes. Amlo number 5 Emilia Emi Gatosang at ngamne 64 central, 112 ra proper, 19 ra absentee, total votes 185. Manase Nas Tamol, amlo number 6, engila 67 na central, 97 na proper, 21 na absentee, total votes of 185. Number 7 na Asaria Asa Timarong, engila 53 na central, 119 na proper, ya absentee ngila 12, 184 total votes. Laila Lool, angila 56 na central, 104 na proper, 9 absentee, total votes amne 169. Enmis Che Masub, dara central ang ila 47, 107 na proper, 10 na absentee, mga total votes amne 154. Mula nga total votes write-in amne 24, yamne 8 amla la central, 16 amla proper, edim la ka absentee. Ilang atara mayang alay sa Amyang al-Aisra Ministry of Education. Seleva mga ngilwa saying WASC, Western Association of School and Colleges. Amner sila April 2022 na visita pala high school. E vira kamna notify pala high school wasing la affirm the said 6-year accreditation nirtir. Mla niya 4 elementary school al sabir direct al-accreditation nga WASC accreditation nirtir in ngamne Goror, George P. Harris, Meang, Mamalakayo. At talamyang alay samna Ministry of Justice, na most of other reports of police misconduct. Most of other report ta police misconduct through office ra Vice President, and namon nga incident report, tel incident report as eman matigan nira MOJ Facebook page. Malo ay say Miss Zoya, baka mo ko ay sergi dalwasa nga ako kora around the island activities sa ilan maran week.
So lang willow, may kita again baby around the island activities sergi na matigaringi. Makot nga 5K run and walk in observance of World Day Against Trafficking in Persons and hosting Anti-Human Trafficking Working Group in Maria July 30. Registration starts at 4:30 a.m. and 5:30 a.m. At El Reza start at 6 a.m. Maria PCC Track and Field, El Mabudula Hospital, and Little Mara Track and Field. Next activity, Maria Island Jams. It's a 3-on-3 basketball. Maria July 30. It starts at 9 a.m. for ages 19 and up. It's $10 a team at Maria Palau High School Gym. Maria free T-shirts for every player. Maria questions about John at 779-0324 or McLean at 778-2740. May tayo kamaldira maran mel weekend. Ako is Friday. Maria kamaldila la James Oderyong. Maria Santos for Hot Chapel at 9:30 a.m. Mo madakra bulurang yasar. Sabadong ang Maria kamaldila la Ian Francisco. Depart ra Palau Funeral Home at 6:30 a.m. to Sacred Heart Church, and then ang morang armid. Mabalak rabulura ngor along. Dimlay kay kita around the island activities. Kumutal mo sa Willow.
Sulang nga Zoya, wala giba mo sim with family of TMC wants to send our condolences to Father John Paul Ililau's family, Elingam Nosmers ra July 11, 2022, ra Palau National Hospital. Kang mal makatatel padre ra a Catholic Church. Tamo meeting masal gibong mo tingal wasem mo ay nga kakamadil nagiguk mo ay sir kami. Mawara gibong mo simre so yan ta kalkora nga nga sa mo kora mura adara bulur Palau.
Marangayas ko ra bulur Palau, mabla mo mga school and have a good day.
Mantim na gaygida ko mlo mayang al-ice ma around the island activities sa LLCs. Kung malum sulangan nitunin at TMC and buckle up and drive safe.